especially for Kentucky. Now, at the moment, they're not severe, but we could deal with some heavy downpours and some gusty winds as this line of storms kind of moves through. We are going to have multiple opportunities across the board this weekend to see some strong to severe thunderstorms. So we're weather aware today. We're also going to be weather aware for your day tomorrow. Right now, we've held off on weather aware for Sunday, but we still have to keep our eyes on kind of how things progress this weekend. So far this morning over West Knoxville, we've got variably cloudy skies out there. It is a mild start to your day, sitting in the 60s, but down to 59 in Crossville, 66 in Gatlinburg, and 65 degrees this morning in Morristown. Looking at Storm Tracker 6 radar, most areas in East Tennessee still pretty quiet. We've had a few passing showers from Sneedville trying to creep into portions of the Northern Valley. But as we lift this further north, that's where you can see these showers and storms over Kentucky. Now, well further back near Lexington, they briefly had a severe thunderstorm warning. None of this is severe at the moment, but from Barberville, you can see they're getting in on some heavier rain and frequent lightning there. Also some stronger storms back near London. Now, all of this is going to continue to push further to the south and east. So I do think eventually if these storms hold together, it's going to clip portions of the Northern Valley. And then later on this morning, we are tracking the threat for some thunderstorms, even into places like Knoxville and over the plateau. I would say that rain may not get there, though, until about 6 to 8 a.m. this morning. Some of that could be pretty heavy, so I would grab your umbrella as you head out the door. We've got a little more of a lull in the forecast as we get closer this afternoon. Right now, the bigger picture shows that warm front lifting northward. We are going to have several different systems kind of move through our area over the next several days. And essentially what's happening is that we have a ridge of high pressure further to our south and west. And kind of right around that edge of the high, we sometimes see thunderstorms develop, which is what we're going to be tracking as we head into the weekend. Officially, our severe weather risk today is at a level 2 out of 5 for everyone. It's also like that for Saturday. I've kind of changed the graphic here, and you can see not much of a difference. Still that level 2 risk tomorrow. There will be some dry time today and tomorrow, but if you get stuck with a thunderstorm, it may include some heavy downpours, gusty to damaging winds, as well as the threat for some hail. I do think that your hail threat may be actually a little bit greater Saturday. Our overall tornado risk is low, but you still want to have multiple ways to receive those weather alerts. Looking ahead towards Sunday's forecast, the severe weather risk is a little bit lower. Sunday, we're in that level 1 out of 5 risk for most areas, with a better opportunity for stronger storms further north. The day planner for today shows us getting into the upper 80s. We dropped our temperatures just a little bit, and that's because I think we hold on to a fair amount of clouds, especially if we deal with some rain early this morning. We're maxing out at about 91, though, in Loudoun, 90 in Dandridge, and 89 in Tazewell. Very hot and sticky this afternoon. Let's play you forward the timeline forecast. You can get an idea of when your area may start to deal with some rain. This is 7 a.m. now, and we've got some storms, especially for La Follette and Oneida. And then as we continue to play that forward, still very active at lunchtime with some stronger storms possible over the plateau, and 1 or 2 of those may be severe, especially as temperatures start to warm. 89 degrees, though, your forecast high today, an unsettled pattern to the weekend with another opportunity for some rain tonight. Looking ahead towards tomorrow, it's one of our hotter days. Feels like temperatures will be near the triple digits, and the 7-day forecast still keeps in the chance for at least some spotty thunderstorms for the afternoon on the 4th.
It is